Patricia. You should stay home.
But you're going away. It'll be so boring around here without you.
I should think it'll be any better in town.
It won't, but I still want to go. I told them to bring the horses at 1 o'clock. We can go together.
I don't know. I think you should stay here. You won't be bored. You have to take care of your health. Besides, I need you to take care of Constantine.
He's an intelligent young man, and here he is, stuck out here in the middle of the country, miles from nowhere. No money, no job, no prospect. He has nothing to do. I think the best thing for him would be for you to give him some money. He really needs some decent clothing and whatever. Look at him. He's been wearing the same jacket for the last 3 years. He doesn't even have an overcoat. And if he could get away from here for a bit, that might help.
I don't have any money.
Well, I'd give him some myself if I had any, but I don't. Shamraev takes my entire pension check and spends it on crops and cows and hives of bees, and it all goes to waste. The bees die, the cows die, and he never lets me use the horses.
All right.
I'm getting dizzy. I don't feel good.
Patricia?